subscribers that I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So if you're logging into your Instagram, just down and you can't log in into your Instagram account, so you just receive error. So how you can fix it? So for fixing it, first thing, just check your internet connection. So just go to the settings, and if you're using Wi-Fi, just check your Wi-Fi. Just go here to Wi-Fi, turn off and turn on again your Wi-Fi. Also, you can try to restore your Wi-Fi router, and if you're using mobile data, just open mobile data, turn off and turn on again your mobile data or cellular data. Just go back, try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. And if you still have this issue, so just go to the general. In the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And also you can try to go to the general again, just find here software update, just wait until it will check for updates and just tap on download and install. So just update your iOS. And if you still have this issue, so just go to App Store, just go to search tab, just write in search tab Instagram, and also just check if you have here available updates. So if you see here not open but update, just tap on update and just download and install the latest update on your iPhone. So this is the way how you can also try to fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.